Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. I am in a real hurry. That is the main reason why we're going to be doing a really quick foundation routine together today. This is the routine that I actually wear a lot, and I added a few things, a few touches to this routine, but it's almost the same one as I do every single video, but it is, I guess, an updated version. I want to apologize for this chaotic video today because I am like in a real hurry. They're about to show up some people in 10 minutes. That's why we're gonna be real quick, and it's really good because I was done with this routine within like maybe 15 minutes, and you're gonna be maybe even quicker because you don't really have to explain everything while you're doing your makeup routine. So I hope you're gonna love it, and if you're interested, stay tuned. We're getting started with a little bit of my sunscreen. I'm sorry for like this really quick tutorial, but I'm always in a rush, in a hurry. Then I will go with this Hydrator primer from Catrice. You can skip this step, but this one is good for moisturizing as well. I will start with a little bit of concealer on the sides. We're gonna do Mary Phillips technique a little bit, but nothing crazy and dramatic. So we're gonna get it right here. I'm gonna grab my foundation brush and blend this out. I will go with a little bit of my lipstick. This one is cream lipstick. I will place it on top of my contours and then use a little bit of moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer, guys. It's just like the best way to blend out any liquids and create this extra moisture. So it's like liquid, it's well spreadable. So we're done with a little bit of contouring. I don't really want to do too much liquids and contour underneath my foundation because they're gonna add some extra pigment. I don't really want to ruin my foundation. So the next step is going to be Catrice foundation, and all the products are going to be listed down below in the description box. I'm going to spread this on the side of my hand, and then I will grab this huge, big, and like fluffy brush and just blend this in. The trick here is that you have to grab a little bit of the product and then just spread this over your hand, and when it's almost dry, you're gonna transfer this over your face. Really huge fan of this routine, and it's so good during summertime. I've been wearing this routine, not a routine, I've been wearing this makeup foundation, whatever you call it, the whole day yesterday, and I was amazed how good this was after like 5 or 6 hours. When I came back home, I will go with a little bit of concealer. This is Essence Concealer. This is almost the same color as my foundation. I will go with a little bit fluffier brush, and I don't really want to use any beauty blender as well. I will try to diffuse it with fluffy brush. The trick about this routine is that you're not using any beauty blender. You're kind of spreading the product with brushes. It's cool. And underneath my eyes, I will use a little bit of the same concealer. It's just nothing crazy and drastic. I will use a little bit of my Sephora lipstick. This is pink. I did not forget about Hello Depuff eye serum. You can use aloe vera, you can use any sort of gel. I'm gonna place it as a dot in between these two concealer dots, and I will be going to my liquid highlighter. I love this routine for this liquid highlighter underneath. Yesterday I added this underneath my foundation. Haven't noticed like a huge difference. That's why you can add it anywhere you want. And then with my finger, it's better to just tap all these 3 formulas with a little bit of mix of Depuff eye serum, just creating this lifting moment. Then I will set my face with a little bit of powder, and look at this. I will grab a little bit of powder, I will grab my fluffy brush, and then I will just place it over my T-zone where it gets really oily, my nose, and my chin. So we don't really use a lot of this powder. Most of it is just around the oil spots. And then underneath my eyes, I will use some leftovers. Almost nothing underneath, just like that. I will go to my contour. This is my regular contour. You can use any contour available. I will tap it off. And then I will just place it over my cheekbones. Nothing crazy, guys. This is my ultimate routine that I do every single time. I'm using an angle brush. I'm stamping first the color, and then I'm gonna flip it and just diffuse the color. I did not forget about my forehead, and of course a little bit over my nose. That is the main reason why I didn't actually add a lot of powders here and there, because we still use a lot of powdery products. They are gonna set these places. So we are gonna have too much powders, they're gonna crease. That's why we're just gonna add bare minimum so it contours. It's given this shape, but it's not creasing. I'm gonna grab my brush and pick up a little bit of blush. This one from Makeup Academy. I will place it on top of my contour. And I did not forget about my nose. It's time to go to highlighter. This is MUA Makeup Academy. I'm using my highlighter brush. I'm gonna grab this on a little bit, tap it off, and apply. We're gonna use soft motions. I'm not adding a lot of this product, just enough for me to shine and have this healthy glow over my, just here and there, like everywhere. I will go over with the same Sephora lipstick. You can use liquid blush. I'm gonna grab a little bit of color, use this brush, and then just swirl this like that and place it on top. We have lots of powders, but don't worry. If you're tapping the liquid product and you first like swirl that over your hands, then it's gonna look really pretty and dewy at the same time. I'm gonna use a little bit more, so try to see what I do. I'm gonna have like a small dot of the pigment in the back of the hand. I'm gonna swirl my brush around so it's not really pigmented, and then I'm just gonna place it on top with tapping motions. Oh, look at this beautiful highlighter underneath. It's so pretty. This is probably just like my go-to foundation routine. And then I will spritz my face with some sun spray. And on top of that, I will use a little bit of Beauty Blender. And it took me literally just, I don't know, like 10 minutes to create this makeup routine. I'll do off camera real quick my brows and probably a little bit of my mascara with eyeliner, and I will use this bronzer over my lids. So it's gonna be a really quick and easy makeup routine. Okay guys, and that is the final result. I really love this foundation routine. It's looking so good and glowing, perfect. I was sweating this routine. I was wearing my glasses with this routine. I was exercising, sweating a lot. That is the main reason why I really love it. It's so good and so perfect. It's almost the same one as I do like every single time. But I showed you in a couple of videos ago that I try to implement Mary Phillips' technique and routine, or someone else, I don't know, and it works for me. It works really well, and I will tell you that it's just the best routine ever, especially with a little bit of blush on top, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You can use some primer on top as well, just 1 drop of primer, place it over your face, and it's going to be really good as well. But I guess that's pretty much it. I'm so late, guys. I'm not late, I'm in a hurry. I'm waiting a few people coming around, and I have like 10 more minutes, but I'm a little bit afraid that they're gonna come a little bit earlier. That's why I'm gonna finish the tutorial, and I'm gonna see you in my next video, hopefully. I love you guys. Bye bye.